Hi guys, it's your girl B Michelle coming at you with a simple Dollar Tree DIY. So I'm starting with some Mod Podge as well as these gift bags from the Dollar Tree. And these are the marble like gift bags. They have the glitter. I think they have these just for the Valentine's Day season. And also these chargers. So it's going to be very simple, you guys. So you just take the gift bag and you just cut the part that has the glitter out. You can use the other side of the bag if you like, if you don't want the glitter. But I wanted to use the side with the glitter, so I'm just cutting that side of the bag off. So I just flip the bag over and I'm tracing the inside of the charger. So just place it up against the charger and I just traced it using a marker, or you can use an X-Acto knife, or if you have something that's about the size of the inside of the charger, like the circle part, you just use that as a guide to just cut a circle in your bag. Once I have my circle cut, I just place it down on the charger to make sure that it's going to be a okay fit. And I just followed up with some Mod Podge, and it's very simple, you guys. Quick and easy, very simple. So I just place some Mod Podge on the charger, and I just use a sponge, one of these sponge brushes from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to spread that Mod Podge in the center. And make sure you spread it pretty good because you want this paper to adhere to the charger and you want it to make it like it was made into the charger. So just spread it evenly on the bottom. And I'm making sure that I coat mine really good because I want to make sure that the edges lay down pretty good. And you just place the paper right side up and just press it into the charger. Then I followed up with some more Mod Podge to seal it. And just spread that all over it. And this is going to coat that glitter so you don't have the glitter fall out. And it's going to seal this to the charger. So you just want to make sure everything is coated really good. And make sure those edges are coated because the edges will probably be the first thing to lift. So you want to make sure those are coated really, really good. And of course, this Mod Podge is going to dry clear. So it's going to have the same image that you see before, just with a more glossy look, because this is the glossy Mod Podge. And I did go back over mine with more Mod Podge as it was drying. I looked at the edges and there were a few edges that were lifting. So you want to make sure you inspect it as it's drying to make sure that your edges are laying down. So just go over it with more Mod Podge to seal those in. I also went around it with a paper towel to clean up any excess Mod Podge. And you just want to be careful with doing that because you don't want to pull up any of those edges. You want to make sure that those are sealed. So that's it, you guys. I will show you the final look in just a moment, but I'm also going to show you the cage that the video, I think it was the last video with the cage. It looks like a bird cage. And I'm just going to show you guys another look that I did not show on the last video. And I'm also going to show you guys a review with a company that sent me a few products. So hold tight. So here's another way that you can display the cage if you guys wanted to recreate this. I used a plant stand. These are the mainstay plant stands from Walmart. I actually got mine from Bargain Hunt, but Walmart carried the mainstay brand. And I just did these the same way that I did on the three-tiered table. I spray painted it with the same spray paint, and I also added some of those gems on the legs of the plant stand. And I just placed the bird cage on top using a charger to help balance it out. I just placed it down on top of the plant stand. and placed the cage on top. And then I just threw this little top on here. This top part is actually, it's just a tray, like a food tray, like from an event that we may have had. And it was black and I spray painted that silver as well. And I placed a mirror on top of that. So you can actually use this as a table with this look. So just giving you some more options that you can do with the cage. So just showing you guys those, and I will show you the product review. So I had a company to send me these scarves. So there's two scarves, a pair of gloves, and these are the gloves with the fingertips that's cut out. I actually wanted these for work. I'm not supposed to have them at work, but it's freezing cold at work. I've wrapped up in blankets and it's so restricted with the things that we can wear. So I have those gloves while I'm sitting at my desk and using the computer. I can still type with using those, having my fingers out. So yeah. But here's one of the scarves, and these are the gloves. Just something extra to try to stay warm at work. So, so yeah, just the gloves here. There's a little case, a little carry, little change or whatever. And I like the two scarves they sent. Also, the tripod. There's like a little tripod for like your cell phone. So yeah, these items were inexpensive, and I'm enjoying them so far. And this scarf, I do have a picture with me wearing the scarf, but this one right here is pretty long. It's soft to touch, and it's a double-sided, so you can use it on. And it comes in, I think, maybe two other colors, but I chose these colors here, and it's reversible, so you can wear it on either side. So yeah, I really like these scarves. They're really cute. And like I said, they're really soft. And the gray one, I do have a picture with me wearing the scarf, the gray one. But it did trick me on the picture because the girl wearing the picture on the picture when I ordered those, hers look all full and all doubled up. I think she has more than one on, but you can double it. But I just had it on just one time, but you can double it. So this scarf here is the one I'm referring to. So I really like him. It's really cute. And this is a clip of me just having the scarf just draped at one time. I didn't double it, but you can double it if you want. It is pretty short, but it can be doubled. So yeah. And this is the final look. So I just placed it on the table just to show you guys, and I just placed these candles here to give you an idea of how it can look with some other items around. And I like the way it turned out. As you can see, the Mod Podge does dry clear, so you can still see that pattern, that marble look. You know, that marble look is hot right now. So yeah, I like this. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like what you see here and you like to continue to see more, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you want to share the video, feel free to share it. So that's it for now, you guys. I want to thank you guys for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you. I will provide the company's information if you guys would like to order some of those scarves, or maybe the gloves or the tripod. I will put all that information in the description box, as well as the items that I use to create this look. So until next time, you guys, I appreciate each and every one of you. Again, thank you, thank you, thank you, and be blessed. Bye.